products for people with dietary conditions and food allergies. The project is expected to create about 450 new jobs. Abbott hopes to start work next year and finish up by 2026.
And now, your Storm Center 7 forecast. That's weather coverage you can count on.
You know what? It looks like with the temperatures that are moving in here over the weekend, we're going to be really, really cold with a lot of the wind coming through. We are expecting strong winds of about 20 to 30 miles per hour, and when you have temperatures in the single digits, it's going to feel extremely cold. The moisture on your skin, the wind blows that away, it evaporates it. That's what normally cools you off on a hot day, but when it's already cold, it's going to feel even colder. Now, here's a look at Friday morning. It's already starting to feel like the negative teens, and then as we move a little bit deeper into the day on Friday in the afternoon, you're starting to feel like negative 20s potentially, and this will likely continue into Saturday because Saturday actually looks colder. So temperatures now in Dayton, 22 degrees. It's pretty quiet. We haven't seen any flurries in a day or so, certainly no rainfall, and the wind's not that strong either, so the wind's probably making it feel like the teens at this moment. But as we move into the rest of the next, well, at least the next couple days, temperatures will actually be kind of seasonable for this time of year. We only got up to 31 degrees in Dayton today, and you can see right now we're looking at 22 in Dayton. Many places are already in the teens. It'll still be very cold tonight, but it'll be just a little bit less cold than what we had early this morning. You can see over the next 24 hours, temperature is actually climbing up a bit. By the afternoon tomorrow, we'll actually be milder. We'll be in the mid to upper 30s, so it'll feel a little bit more tolerable, but still very cold. And at least this is the pattern for the next couple days. But once we get into Thursday and Friday, that's when the temperatures really start to drop, and then that's when we'll see the chance for rain turning into snow across the Miami Valley. The cloud cover, you can see, actually seeing a little bit of clearing. That's one reason why the temperature has dropped a bit. We're going to see some cloud cover come in from the west, and it's not going to be completely overcast, but we definitely are seeing some clouds. Now, I mentioned that area of low pressure in the Pacific Northwest. It's beginning to develop. The jet stream, that's a river of fast-flowing air way up in the sky. And what that does is that controls our weather pattern. It really guides these systems. And you can see this little dip here in the northern Rockies. It's just a little dip, but soon it will begin to dig across the United States. That'll invite that area of low pressure, bringing blizzard-like conditions to many parts of the country, as well as that cold air from Canada. And we're going to see that cold air, and we're going to see some snow too. Not so much here the next couple days. You can see some mostly cloudy skies, but some breaks of sun moving into Tuesday and then even into Wednesday. But then we move into Thursday, so let's skip ahead a little bit and see what we can expect. Here's a look at about Thursday, Friday, here Friday 12 a.m. really, and you can see we start to transition from rain to more of a mix to snow. So Thursday's looking better to see rain first, and then moving into that snow category. And again, it's difficult to treat these roads when it's wet, with the salt. So as we move into Friday, that really could be kind of a tricky situation as far as traveling is concerned. And then that snow, the chance of snow continues until later Friday night, a few flurries remaining Saturday morning. And then we're left with some very, very cold temperatures. Like I mentioned, a high of 9 on Saturday, and we're expecting windy conditions, so it'll begin to feel like sub-zero temperatures as we head into Christmas weekend.
All right, Robert, thank you. The Better Business Bureau and animal rescue groups are sending out warnings about pet scams, what you need to know before anyone thinks about maybe getting a pet as a Christmas